So this is our Taylor Monoplane. She was built in 1986 by a chap called Cecil Bush. He's renowned for his excellent craftsmanship, and he actually built two monoplanes. As you can see, the undercarriage is sprung oleos. These are relatively bouncy. Can make bumpy runways quite interesting, but also can take a lot of punishment. Having a look at the cockpit, we've got very minimal instruments. Your airspeed indicator, oil pressure, cylinder head temperature, slip indicator, oil temperature, altitude, RPM. We've also got a magnetic compass. These are your magneto switches or ignition. This switch allows you to choose which one the RPM gauge is looking at, because the RPM is read from the belt driven magnetos. This is the throttle, the stick, of course, for the control surfaces. And your rudder is on the pedals, of course. You also have heel brakes in this aircraft. So the bottom part of the pedal is a brake. We have a fantastic handheld radio, which is cracking. It's lovely, absolutely smashing. There's your carpet, so obviously nice and warm. Trim, which is that little yellow knob, and the push to talk button for the radio. And that's about all we have in the cockpit. But coming outside, we have a fuel gauge, which is on a float. It's quite low at the minute because, of course, the tail is low. And we've just been for a nice long flight. I forgot to mention, another thing we have in the cockpit is the fuel cock, which turns the fuel on and off. It's right over here. Can't quite reach it, so I'll just turn it off. That yellow handle there, it's a valve. So to start the aircraft, fuel on, like so. Make sure you tie the stick back, just to keep the elevator up. Keeps the tail down when it starts. Make sure the chocks are in. Then 4 shots of the throttle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mags are off. Throttle is closed. Turn through 4 blades. Contact. Now that she's primed and ready, contact. A quick check of the oil pressure, make sure it's okay. Pull the chocks out, jump in, and off you pop.